Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you realized that music can only be created by the combination of noise and silence? A dance consists of dancing close and dancing far. You can fill a glass when it is empty. Plants and trees grow naturally in empty spaces. When you want to write a beautiful poem, you will need an empty paper. To be able to freely move around in your house, you need empty spaces. Everything in life is a combination of emptiness and fullness. This combination is what keeps the natural flow of life. Whenever space is created, the universe rushes in to fill it up. So, one of the fastest way to step into abundance is by making space. Letting go or getting rid of something makes space to allow the new and better things to come into your life. The third way to step into abundance is using the prosperity law of vacuum, creating abundance, creating space for life. You can call it by any of these names. It just means making space to allow. I'm Anita Watwani, a wellness coach and a speaker, and every week I share ideas, strategies, and tips to know yourself better so you can easily step into the vibration of love, happiness, and peace, which is everyone's ultimate desire. Do you have so many clothes in your closet that you can't see what is in there? Are you having so many thoughts that it leaves you feeling depleted? Do you have so many things to do that you don't have time for yourself? Do you have to be on your toes all the time? Do you feel everything around you is in chaos? Create space by letting go of some. It can really help you. Create time space by saying no to time wasters. Create physical space by cleaning out your room. Create social space by discerning between those who care and those who do not. Create mental and emotional space through self discovery and mindfulness. Create space by letting go and being still to allow abundance in. That's the mission. Here are some ways you can make space to allow abundance to flow easily in your life. The most important way you can attract abundance and prosperity is to rid yourself of what you don't want. It creates space and allows you to receive what you really want. So, the first thing that comes to mind is declutter. Whenever we are talking about decluttering, most people think getting rid of things around them. Although decluttering means getting rid of things, but it also means getting rid of ideas, opinions, attitudes that are coming in the way of our well being. There are many videos and blogs on how to make physical space. But today I'm going to show you how to make mental and energetic space to allow the free flow of abundance into your life. So, first and foremost, declutter your mind from this idea that only when you have something that you are desiring, you will be happy or satisfied. That only when you reach, you can be fine. Think of it like this: the journey can be enjoyable as well. You can find something to be happy while you are on the journey to what you desire. This can be life changing. Remember, if you can't be happy in this moment and can't find anything to be happy in this moment, then you will find something to be unhappy in the future as well, even if you have what you're wanting right now. So get rid of these limiting ideas to make space for new, renewed ideas to come in. Set yourself free and energize your life by questioning each of your ideas and beliefs to see what is really serving you and what is coming in the way of your higher good. Once you start discarding ideas that don't serve your higher good, or you start questioning them, new ideas and beliefs that serve you will flow in easily. Holding on to the ones that don't serve you is actually occupying the space of the ones that could serve you. For example, if you want to try a new dress, you have to take off the one you are wearing. If you want to wear a new shoe, you have to take off the one you are wearing. It is very simple, right? But the same thing we have to do with our thoughts. The second way you can declutter your mind is by getting rid of your prejudice. Getting rid of your prejudice will help you to create a space to honor and accept others for who they are. The universe will give you proof for whatever you believe in. If you believe that others are wrong, others can hurt you, others are against you, life will give you the evidence to believe this. But if you let go of these beliefs, you'll be able to see that everyone is trying to do their best given their circumstances. You will be more empathetic and understanding. You're giving away this belief that the world is not a safe place. If you can let go of your bad attitude, it will help you to love and appreciate everything. When things don't happen the way you want them to happen, most people get upset and angry instead of being mindful. Being mindful will help you to be creative, to find the part of it that can serve you. Discerning between what is for your higher good and whatever is not serving you or is coming in the way of your growth will help you to stop struggling in life. Let me tell you a story. Two friends went for a guitar class. The teacher asked both of them if they had any knowledge of playing the guitar. The first one said he didn't, but the second one, feeling a little proud, said he had learnt a bit. The teacher told the first one a lower price for his tuitions and a higher price for the one who had some knowledge. The second man was surprised and asked the teacher, "How come you are charging me more?" The teacher replied, "I'll have to do double work. I will have to undo what you already know. But with him, he's a clean slate." Similarly, when we go to a spiritual guru, we have to let go of our knowledge to fully grasp the spiritual knowledge. When you are full with knowledge and you go to a spiritual guru, he will first help you to undo what you have learned. So, also, to receive the free flow of abundance, we have to learn to let go or undo things that are coming in the way of our well being. It's like you're taking away the blocks that are blocking the flow of water. So, now that we have spoken of different ways to make space in our mind or declutter the mind, let's talk about energy. Take care of your energy. Stop investing your energy in things that don't serve you. Forgiveness is a great tool to make space. Letting go of the energy about what went wrong, the story associated with it, or what others did. You have invested your energy in a place which is not giving you any positive gain. It's not serving you for your higher good. As you know, I have made two videos that explain why forgiveness is important and some ways to forgive. If you haven't watched them yet, please do watch them. I'll tag them in this video. They will give you the tool to forgive and the understanding of why forgiveness is important. Forgiveness is important because it helps you to step into the vibration of well being so you can receive abundance. It is a tool to step out of guilt, victimhood, sadness, judgment, hate, etc. All the lower vibrations that are blocking the free flow of abundance into your life. Bring back your energies that are invested in what doesn't serve your higher good anymore. This will give you more energy to invest in what really matters to you. Like usually, we invest our energies in the past, and the past actually doesn't affect us. Usually, we give energy to what went wrong. Let me remind you of the second episode of the series about gratitude, where I spoke about wrong and right. We are more focused on what went wrong instead of what went right. And so we will keep investing our energy on what was wrong. The result usually is uneasy feeling. Nothing of the past actually affects you in this moment. A past event, positive or negative, doesn't have any power on your present. Only when you give it value and energy, it revives and shows up in your present. Your attention and awareness on it brings it back to life. Now you're investing energy on what should have been buried. It's because you're still holding on to it like a treasure. It is still around. Get rid of these past experiences. Just carry with you the growth that they brought with them. This way, you will take back the extra energy invested in them to use it in other things that matter to you. I want to remind you that we are doing all this so we can have a open heart so that abundance, love, success, money, peace, prosperity, happiness can flow easily into our life and we can experience them to the fullest. I'm sure this video has helped you to understand that when your mind and energy is occupied by things that don't serve your higher good, you'll be confused and tired. But by letting go of ideas, opinions, attitudes, grudges, complaints, any negative emotion, you will make space to allow well-being, prosperity, and abundance to come in. All the better and finer things will flow easily into your life. So if you have liked this video, please subscribe and share this video with your friends. And please leave me a comment so I can make different videos on different topics that you would like to hear from me. Thank you and have a great day.